In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video in PowerPoint using our Easy 2025 guide. PowerPoint is a versatile tool that allows you to enhance your presentations with multimedia, and integrating videos can make your slides more engaging and dynamic. I'll be walking you through the straightforward steps to seamlessly embed a video into your PowerPoint presentation, whether it's from your computer or online. Let's start by inserting a video from your computer. First, open the PowerPoint presentation file you will be working with. Navigate to the slide where you would like the video to appear. Once you're on the correct slide, look up to the ribbon at the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab. Next, you'll want to find the video option. Clicking on this will provide you with a drop-down. From there, select this device. This option allows you to insert a video file that's saved on your computer. You will then see a File Explorer window pop up. Browse through your folders to locate the video file you wish to insert, select it, and hit the Insert button. Your video is now part of your slide and can be resized or moved just like any other object on your slide. If you prefer adding an online video, such as a YouTube clip, to your presentation, follow these steps. Once again, go to the Insert tab on your ribbon. Under the Video drop-down, choose Online Video. Here, you'll be prompted to paste a link from YouTube or another online video source. Simply copy the video URL you wish to use, paste it in the provided field, and click Insert. Remember, to play online videos during your presentation, you'll need a reliable internet connection, so make sure you're connected. After inserting your video, whether from your device or online, there are additional customization options. Click on the video to reveal the video format and playback tabs, which provide various settings. You can choose how your video starts, either automatically or when clicked. The trim video feature is handy if you want to focus on a specific segment, cutting out any unnecessary portions. Additionally, adding a poster frame can give your video a professional thumbnail that sets the right tone for your audience even before the video starts playing. Finally, before you present, there are a few tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. Always test your video playback before you go live to confirm everything runs without a hitch. Using Presenter View can help you stay in control, giving you an overview of your slides and what's coming up next. If you're presenting in a new environment, it's wise to have headphones or thoroughly check the audio settings on the equipment to avoid any surprises during your presentation. By following these simple steps, you can incorporate videos with ease into your PowerPoint presentations, adding a new dimension to your storytelling and helping to keep your audience engaged.